Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to access Photos app. Then tap on one of your folders and hold a photo that you wish to get rid of, like this one. Now tap on those dots at the top left corners to select all of them. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. If you wish to delete them, tap on the spin icon at the top right corner next to the shopping cart and confirm your choice in the pop-ups. But you can also hold one of your photos over here and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!